Okay, it's NetCruiser, and I'm here in my gaming room, the gaming consoles, Xbox 360 and Xbox One. And I love racing, right? So I do a lot of the Xbox racing, Forza. I have the Thrustmaster wheel for the Xbox One, and I have the original Xbox 360 racing wheel there. But I've recently upgraded my Xbox One, and now I have the Xbox One S, which is a great little machine, but I also like having the Kinect. So I have the Kinect sensor here, and I also have the original 360 Kinect. And this new one does not come with the Kinect port, which looks like this. That was the Kinect port that was on the back of the original Xbox One. I chatted with Microsoft. I gave them the serial numbers of my new Xbox, my Kinect, and my old Xbox, and the very next day UPS sent me this Kinect adapter for Windows. So this is what you need to hook a Kinect up to your new one. It's heavy, 3 pounds, and there's a whole bunch of adapters in here. Instructions. This is just the cabling. So you get it's basically a USB A to B cable, and then the other weird Kinect cable and an AC power cord, and then you have 2 breakout boxes here, which I'll hook up and I'll show you that. Okay, so here's what you get with the Kinect for Windows adapter, which also is what you need for the Xbox One S. I don't know why they wouldn't just make it one big box altogether. It's the same size. Anyway, you get these 2 different boxes. Your Kinect will plug into here and goes out of this and into the back of the Xbox One. So it's a USB-B 3.0 to USB-A 3.0. So that will go from this box into the Xbox, and then this is just the power supply, and then this plugs into this box, and this plugs into power. So I have to get all of that in here, and yeah. Doesn't that look nice? Anyway, there's nothing back there but cabling. All of my consoles are fairly clean up top, but yeah, that's where all the wiring goes. Shh, don't tell anyone. I'm also going to need this. This is a USB 3 adapter. At least I'm hoping it will work, because I have my Xbox fully kitted out using all of the USB ports. So something that you can't see very well. Let me just turn on a light here. Okay, so that white box in the back, that is a 2 terabyte hard drive that is connected to this over USB 3. There's 2 USB ports on the back of the Xbox One S, so that's taking up one. The other one is the TV tuner. I'm using the USB TV tuner for the Xbox One, and that uses the other USB port. The reason why I like having the USB tuner is because then that allows you to actually stream your video to other mobile devices, other Windows PCs. You can send the just over the internet or through your local network, you can send the TV signal to your other devices. Anyway, so that uses up all the USB ports on the back. There's one on the front, but I use that for my racing wheel. The racing wheel needs this USB port on the front, so that uses them all up. I'm hoping this unpowered USB hub will work, and I'm going to try it with the hard drive and the USB tuner, because when I read the instructions about how to hook up a Kinect, it tells you that you have to, for the S, that you should use the one port specifically, the one that's closest to the right hand side, I guess, which is my TV tuner's plugged into now. So I'm gonna hook all this up, spaghetti of wires, and we'll see how it works. Now running the USB hub on the back of my Xbox One. You can't see it, but there is a hub back there now, and it's currently running the USB TV tuner and the hard drive, and they both powered up fine. So we'll give it all test and make sure it all works. Okay, and just like that, we are ready to go. So I've got all my wiring connected, USB hub connected, hard drive connected, TV tuner connected, Xbox Kinect connected. Anyway, it just tells me that my Kinect is detected and ready for setup. Okay, just an update that it does work. Xbox One S with the Kinect for Windows adapter, USB hard drive, USB TV tuner running through a USB 3 hub, unpowered. It all works. I'm quite pleased. Hey Cortana, go home. Hey Cortana, watch TV. The only thing annoying I find about it is that the Hey Cortana phrase actually takes longer than the Xbox one used to.
I'm sorry, I didn't catch that.
But it's sensitive enough. Hey Cortana. See, I like whispered it and it picked it up over TV. Stop listening.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Anyway, yeah, it works. So, successful upgrade, I guess. I'm not sure if I'm going to end up keeping the Kinect. I only ever use it for voice commands. If they come out with a way that I can just do it through the controller easily. I wish they had to put a microphone in the controller, and then I wouldn't have Kinect at all, because they got rid of most of the motion control from the operating system and now it only does voice. So yeah, I know that there's these weird little adapters you can get for the bottom of the controller, and that's fine. The only downside to that is that when the controller automatically powers off, if you're watching a movie, that I can't just yell a command. So that's really the only thing I'm using the Kinect sensor for. Anyway, it works.